morning. I think it's July the 7th. I'm going to do something I've never done before on Mud Grit Life. I've got a little Chinese sewing machine. It runs off a little power supply or battery. And I'm sewing the zipper on my Davis tent made in Colorado that I take to Colorado. I'm going to give that a try. I've already did one side of the zipper, but I went off in one spot. So I cleaned off about 8 inches, and I'm going to redo that again on the other side. Here we go. Well, like I said, I've already done it once, and it worked pretty good. I'm a new guy, though. I never tried that before. Here we go. Ah! There you go. First screw up, right? I did not let the foot down, so you begin it. Oh. Okay. Restarted the machine. Now, remember, put the foot down first. Then start sewing. Ah, she's going. Just got to go about make a 5-inch here. Then I'll sew the other side. Here we go. Pretty good looking seam, boys. Got 2 more inches. Whoop. Now just turn it off or run off of the seam. Okay. Lift it up. Get the needle up here. Pull a little slack in the thread. The bobbin, of course, there's no restriction on the bobbin, so it pulls easy. Pull it out a little bit. Whack it. All right. And there we have it. Fixed my uh-oh, and we're back in business. Okay, well, what do you know? I forgot to turn it on. However, I got it now. I'm trying to line everything up. I'm a new guy here, folks. It's actually a pretty decent looking seam, though, for somebody who just does not know what they're doing. I think, what the heck? Thing about it, I don't have to please anybody but me, so there you go. Dang! I'm surprising even myself. How about that? Scoot it down here a little more. Unzip the zipper. I'm headed up to my next safety pin. All right, try it again. Now she's sewing. All right. Okay, well, here's a little look at the finished product. Not too bad. The white, of course, is the new thread. And I may have to do something up here by hand, but as long as when I unzip the tent, I think if I get up here and maybe put something where it won't go past about that part, put a stop or something, and sew something across right there so it'll stop and nobody will inadvertently go too high. And heck, what do you think? Anyway, I've never done that before. Had success, I think. And I will go get some nylon string, put it together. So, as always, if you like it, hit that like or subscribe button, and remember, let's go Brandon.